I will open my class and then I'll close. Is my screen is visible to you, students?
Yes, miss.
Okay.
Yes, miss.
देखो क्लास क्या होती है, मैंने आपसे बताया था. Class is a predefined data type which is a collection of so many kind of function and data attribute. This is the definition of our class. और class को create करने का syntax क्या होता है? ऐसा ही syntax of creating class is first of all write class and then write class name. Okay, and then open the curly braces, enter, close the curly braces. Okay, students. To create a class को create करने के पहले के लिए आपको क्या करना होगा? You will have to write first class. You will have to write first class, then write the name of class, and then open the bracket and then close the bracket. सभी को समझ में आया?
बिल्कुल.
Yes, miss.
Now for example, I want to make a class named as Arihant. Okay, तो मैं क्या करूँगी? Simply I will write क्लास. मैंने क्या कहा है? सबसे पहले आपको क्या लिखना है? क्लास लिखना है. देन क्लास नेम, तो क्लास का नाम क्या हो जाएगा? अरिहंत. या फिर फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई वॉन्ट टू गिव द नेम ऑफ माई क्लास एज रश्मि, देन आई विल राइट हियर done. Or for example you want to write the name of your class as Java, I write here Java. Type for example you want to give the class as 9, then I am writing here. आप उसके बाद क्या करेंगे? ओपन द कर्ली ब्रेसेस, एंटर, क्लोज द कर्ली ब्रेसेस. सो दिस इज द वे टू क्रिएट अ क्लास. सो नाउ आई थिंक दिस इज क्लियर टू यू. क्लास को क्रिएट करने का तरीका होता है, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल राइट क्लास, then give class name, then open the bracket and close the bracket. Okay, students? So
Yes,
this
miss.
was the method to create a class. Okay. See, क्लास का ये जो हमने ब्रैकेट ओपन किया है, ये जो ब्रैकेट एक कर्ली ब्रेसेस ओपन एंड देन कर्ली ब्रेसेस इज क्लोज्ड, तो इसका मतलब क्या हुआ? मतलब ये हुआ कि यहाँ से मेरा क्लास स्टार्ट हो रहा है और यहाँ पर मेरा जो क्लास है वो एंड हो रहा है. Okay, students, this is the way to create a class. So whenever you are going to make any kind of programming, see, this is the property of Java, that Java is most secured language. And why Java is secured language? Because Java works in class only. Okay, जावा की प्रोग्रामिंग क्लास पे ही स्टार्ट होती है और क्लास पे ही खत्म होती है. मतलब देखो मैंने आपसे क्या कहा, जैसे ही मैंने यहाँ पे प्रोग्राम बनाना स्टार्ट किया, यहाँ पे मैंने सबसे पहले क्या मेंशन किया? क्लास. आई मेंशनड व्हाट? आई मेंशनड क्लास. Okay, so and class is the most secured entity in the programming, and that's why Java is called as a secured language. Java is called as what? Secured. We have discussed about the data abstraction, we discussed about the data hiding, about data encapsulation. What are those things? These are the properties which are coming into the class only. यस, तो जावा की प्रोग्रामिंग क्लास से ही स्टार्ट होती है, क्लास से ही खत्म होती है. क्लास को बनाने का तरीका क्या होता है? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल राइट द क्लास, देन गिव द क्लास नेम, देन ओपन योर कर्ली ब्रेसेस एंड देन क्लोज योर कर्ली ब्रेसेस. आई थिंक नाउ दिस इज क्लियर टू यू स्टूडेंट्स. एम आई क्लियर टू यू? All of
Yes,
you know?
miss.
Okay. So finally we have write 3 lines. We have written 3 lines. Line 1 is class, line 2 and line 3. लाइन 3. ओके, आज का जो सेशन है वो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होने वाला है. आई एम रिकॉर्डिंग माई लेक्चर ऑल्सो, आई विल अपलोड दिस ऑन द यूट्यूब ऑल्सो. लेकिन आप सब अगर इसे नोट डाउन करेंगे तो ज़्यादा बेटर होगा. ओके, सो फाइनली वी हैव क्रिएटेड आवर क्लास. ओके, नाउ अब मैं जो स्टेटमेंट्स बताने वाली हूँ वो स्टेटमेंट्स आपको हर प्रोग्राम में लिखना है. Whenever you are going to make any kind of program, you all will have to write those statements, and those statements are very compulsory to build your block. Okay, so next statement I am going to write is public static void main, and in this parenthesis I am going to write string args, then will give this, and then finally I am going to open my function and close my function. So students, ये मैं delete कर रही हूँ. देखो ये तो आपने देख लिया ना, that's why I am deleting this, so that you people will not get confused. I am deleting this statement now. So अब देखो क्या होता है कि क्लास के अंदर एक मॉनिटर होता है ना. In every class there is a monitor. तो वो मॉनिटर क्या करता है? आपके क्लास को माइंड करता है. सिमिलरली हर क्लास के अंदर एक मेन फंक्शन होता है. द मेन फंक्शन, और उस मेन फंक्शन के अंदर यू आर गोइंग टू राइट योर टास्क, जो सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट टास्क है दैट यू आर गोइंग टू परफॉर्म इन द मेन फंक्शन, और यू कैन से मेन फंक्शन इज द ब्रेन ऑफ योर प्रोग्राम, और वी कैन से मेन फंक्शन इज द मेन बिल्डिंग ब्लॉक ऑफ योर प्रोग्राम। ठीक है, देखो, वी आर we are a human body, we are humans, and all the things which we are going to do and which we are doing now only, those things are actually executing in my brain. No, these things are executing in my brain, and this brain is what, if I look my if I look myself as a program, then I will call my brain as my main function. Okay, because what all things I am going to work and what all work I am going to do today, all these things are going to run into my brain only. So similarly you can say the main function is what, is the brain of your program, or is the main building block of your program, which is very compulsory. Okay students, so now I think this is clear to you. And how to create your main function, you will, whenever you want to create your main function, no, तो उसके लिए you will have to write this whole statement. Okay, public static void main, public static void main. Now coming on to the meaning of public static void main. देखो, public is a access specifier. ये access specifier क्या होता है, I will explain you later, लेकिन for now I am telling you. In the earlier section, I told you that every entity and every function and every data which we are going to use in our program is going to be by default private. Am I right, students, am I right? Yes, I told you, no, कि क्लास के अंदर आपने जो भी लिखा है वो by default private है, क्योंकि वो सिक्योर है, वो प्राइवेट है, मतलब उसने कहा है कि भाई ये मेरा है, तुम यूज़ नहीं कर सकते। और क्योंकि मैं ये चाहती हूँ कि ये जो क्लास का जो ये फंक्शन है मुझे इसे एग्जीक्यूट करवाना है, और अगर मेन फंक्शन ये प्राइवेट हो गया तो मैं उस प्रोग्राम को एग्जीक्यूट कैसे करूँगी, इसीलिए इस मेन फंक्शन को मैंने यहाँ पर क्या किया है, पब्लिक किया है, ताकि मैं इस फंक्शन को इस क्लास के बाहर एग्जीक्यूट कर पाऊँ। सी स्टूडेंट्स, wrapping up of data into single unit that we are doing in the class, लेकिन because there is a concept named as data abstraction, that means we are going to hide some data, and I don't want to hide my main function from my program. That's why I am adding this public keyword before my main function. So students, am I clear to you?
Yes, miss.
Okay.
Yes, miss.
So reason behind writing. So देखो, when we will start our programming, no, and when we will work on multiple classes, मैंने बताया था inheritance का concept आपको बताया था, वहाँ पे you will be having so many kind of classes. तो वहाँ पे भी यही concept लगेगा। कुछ classes के आगे आप public लिखोगे, क्यों लिखोगे, ताकि आप जो आपका जो parent class है उसकी property को you want to derive in the derived class, no, then you will have to write public onto the parent class also. Why? Because you want to access that class, because that class is hidden and I don't want to hide that class. That's why I'm writing public before that class. Similarly, here I have written public before my main function. Why? Because I don't want to hide my function to the compiler. So students, and now I think this is clear to you. Coming on to the next keyword, which is the static. Static is a keyword which is used to allocate some kind of memory to your function to the compiler. Again I am telling you, the static is, you people can learn the definition of static also. Static is a keyword which is used to provide some kind of memory allocation to your program. Void is a return type. Void means void is a return type, and return type is used to create any kind of function. Now let's see how to make a function. Syntax to write. I hope you all are noting down. These concepts are very important to you, and these things is not given in your book.
Yes, miss.
Okay, देखो, now I am writing the syntax to create a function. How to create a function I am writing here also. How to create a, मैं बहुत जल्दी टाइप कर रही हूँ, अगर कोई मिस्टेक होती तो यू पीपल कैन इग्नोर इट. ओके, देखो, फंक्शन को क्रिएट करने का सिंटेक्स होता है रिटर्न टाइप स्पेस, आई एम राइटिंग दिस short name of function. Okay, I am writing simply fun. Okay, function name, and then give the parenthesis, and then open the curly bracket and close the curly braces. This is the way, this is the method to create a function. दिस इज द मेथड टू क्रिएट अ फंक्शन। सबसे पहले यहाँ पे क्या लिखा हुआ है, रिटर्न टाइप। रिटर्न टाइप, देखो रिटर्न टाइप क्या होता है, वो देखो रिटर्न टाइप मतलब आपका जो फंक्शन है, your function is going to return, your function is going to write what kind of a statement which we are going to provide into your program। मतलब वो क्या रिटर्न कर रहा है, what actually he is giving to your compiler, that means it is telling me the type of function। take an example, we people are human, तो हम किस टाइप के हैं, we are human beings। animals come in the, for example take an example of dog, so dog is coming on to the which type, he is coming on to the animal category। if we were for example take an example of any kind of worm, then he is coming in the insect category, yes, but that means we are going to specify the type of human beings or the type of the animals which are surrounded in the world। okay, the same thing we are going to do with our programming also। here before creating a function I'll have to specify the type of my function, and return type tells you which type of function are you going to use into your program। so students, am I clear to you?
Yes,
Miss.
okay, देखो
Yes, miss.
कंप्यूटर में क्या होता है, अगर आप गूगल पर टाइप करते हो व्हाट्स द डेट टुडे, आज का डेट क्या है, या फिर आपने टाइप किया आई वांट टू डाउनलोड दिस सॉन्ग, फॉर एग्जांपल यू आर डाउनलोडिंग एनी काइंड ऑफ मूवी, एनीथिंग यू आर डूइंग, but the thing is the input which we are going to you are going to give to your Google is with the help of keyboard only, no, with the help of keyboard, that means by the help of character set। मतलब ये कंप्यूटर के अंदर आप जो भी करोगे एवरीथिंग इज गोइंग टू बी डन विद द हेल्प ऑफ योर कीबोर्ड ओनली और विद द हेल्प ऑफ योर माउस ओनली। मतलब ये जो इनपुट आपके सिस्टम में जा रहा है वो कैरेक्टर के फॉर्म में ही जा रहा है। either you will give your input with the help of letters used come in between the A to Z, or coming from 1 to 9, or by the help of some special characters। am I right? am I right? so
yes, miss.
this return
Yes,
type
miss.
is going to distinguish, this return type is going to distinguish all those type of data which I am going to give as an input to my keyboard। okay, return types will tell my function whether my input is going to be come into the numeric function, that means अगर मेरा input numeric type का होगा then I will write their int, अगर suppose वो character type का होगा then I will write their character। तो ये बताता है return type, मतलब आप किस type का input, आप किस type का parameter आपके function में pass करने वाले हो, this is called as return type। okay, so now I think this is clear to you। so to create a function, first of all write the return type and give the name of function। फंक्शन का नाम कुछ भी दे सकते हो, क्लास का नाम कुछ भी दे सकते हो, इट्स योर चॉइस। टेक एन एग्जांपल, मैं फंक्शन का नाम यहाँ पर देना चाहती हूँ डेमो, तो ये फंक्शन जो है डेमो के नाम से बन गया। रिटर्न टाइप आई एम गिविंग यू, टेलिंग यू एज वॉइड। रिटर्न टाइप के बारे में मैं आगे आपको और एक्सप्लेन करूंगी, फॉर नाउ आई एम जस्ट टेलिंग यू कि वॉइड इज अ काइंड ऑफ रिटर्न टाइप which prints null statement और which can print anything। मतलब ये है कि void जो है, आप जो void में डालोगे वो as it is print हो जाएगा, ये null statement को print करता है। क्या होता है I will tell you in the session which I will take later। okay, so for now I have used the return type named as void and the name of my function is demo, and then finally I'll open my bracket and close my, now take an example, now I want to create another function। now you tell me किस नाम का फंक्शन बना है, स्टूडेंट्स टेल मी, बोलो स्टूडेंट्स, आई एम आस्किंग समथिंग, you tell me from which name should we create a function, students? Tanmay। so now I am going to create a function named as Tanmay। so now how will I create my function? I will simply write void, then give
Tanmay.
name Tanmay, then open bracket, open this type of bracket is called as the parenthesis, this is called as the parenthesis, and then finally
Yes,
I'll
miss.
open my curly braces and then close my curly braces। okay, so now is this clear to you students? this is the way
Yes,
to
ma'am.
create
Yes,
a
miss,
function,
बिल्कुल।
okay,
Yes, miss.
Yes,
I'm
miss.
deleting this code now।
Yes, miss.
so अब ये समझ
Yes,
में
miss.
आ गया होगा कि this main is what, this is the name of my function, this is the name of my function, this void is what, this is your return type, static is a keyword which is going to give some kind of memory allocation to your program, and public is what, public is going to unhide or going to show this function to the compiler। so now I think दिस स्टेटमेंट मीनिंग इज क्लियर टू यू. कमिंग ऑन टू द स्ट्रिंग ARGS, देखो हर फंक्शन का ना अपना एक इनपुट होता है. तो यहाँ पे इस मेन फंक्शन के अंदर मैं स्ट्रिंग टाइप की आर्ग्यूमेंट को इनपुट दूंगी. ये क्या होता है हम आगे देखेंगे. ओके तो स्ट्रिंग्स मीन्स नथिंग, कलेक्शन ऑफ कैरेक्टर. देखो मैंने यहाँ पर ना कुछ भी टाइप किया तो ये क्या है, ये स्ट्रिंग है. और अगर मैं यहाँ पर टाइप करती हूँ सिंगल कैरेक्टर H, तो दिस इज अ कैरेक्टर. This is a character. But when I am going to write a collection of character, then that will be called as a string. That will be called as a string. So in this main function, I am going to give some kind of input. That input is a kind of string. So this argument I am going to pass into my function. So now students, I think this statement is clear to you. First of all, we have created a class.
Yes,
We
miss.
have opened the class and then we have closed our class. Then we have made a function. The name of our function was what, main, and then I have given the body. I have opened the body of my main function and then finally I have closed the body of my main function. So now I think देखो ये जो लाइन्स है ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. दीज लाइन्स एवरी टाइम व्हेनेवर यू आर गोइंग टू मेक योर प्रोग्राम ना, पहले ही आप ये लाइन लिख के रख लो. ठीक है, एवरी टाइम यू विल हैव टू राइट दिस लाइन्स. काउंट द लाइन 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. These 6 lines every time whenever you are going to make any kind of program, you all will have to write all these lines every time. Okay. Now take an example. मुझे एक प्रोग्राम बनाना है. I gave you an assignment to print your name. To print your name. Then how will you print your name? So to print any kind of statement, in the Java programming, you will have to write a statement named as
System.out.println.
So that I am system system.out.println. Open the parenthesis, close the parenthesis, and whatever thing which I am going to write, which I want to get print onto my screen, that I will write in the double quotes. So here for example I want to print hello. Finally after completing this statement I will add a semicolon. देखो इंग्लिश में क्या होता है, when for example you people are writing a letter, तो एक स्टेटमेंट को कंप्लीट करने के बाद आफ्टर कंप्लीटिंग और आफ्टर राइटिंग अ सिंगल स्टेटमेंट व्हाट विल यू डू, यू सिंपली ऐड अ फुल स्टॉप. नो, तो यहाँ पर
Yes,
भी
miss.
इन प्रोग्रामिंग ऑल्सो व्हेनेवर यू आर गोइंग टू राइट एनी काइंड ऑफ स्टेटमेंट, तो आफ्टर कंप्लीटिंग द स्टेटमेंट यू आर गोइंग टू ऐड व्हाट, ये सेमीकोलन.
Okay, miss.
Now question comes कि मैडम class A is also a statement, function is also, then why we have not added semicolon here? Students, अगर मैं यहाँ पर ही फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर मैं क्लास A के बाद में सेमीकोलन लगा दूंगी तो इसका मतलब ये होगा कि आई एम कंप्लीटिंग द क्लास. और अगर मैंने क्लास को यहीं पे एंड कर दिया तो मैं उसका फंक्शन कहाँ पे लिखूंगी? Where will I write my function? That's why we are terminating our class. We never terminate a function and we never terminate a class. Am I clear to you? See, this main function, this is a function, that's why we are not terminating it. But because this is a statement, this is a task which I am going to perform, which I want to get print onto my screen, that's why I am terminating it. Okay, take an example. मुझे ना एक और statement print करना है. I am studying in 9th class. तो मैं क्या करूँगी? Again, I'll simply write this statement again. और यहाँ पे डबल कोट्स में क्या आ जाएगा? I am studying in class 9. मेरे I am connecting my Wi-Fi actually.
Not coming.
Yes, students. Now am I visible to you? Now,
Yes, miss. Now you are audible.
Yes, miss.
am I audible now?
Yes.
Yes.
ये बिल्कुल बिल्कुल कौन बोल रहा है? ये बिल्कुल बिल्कुल कौन
आनंद
बोल रहा है?
शर्मा.
Anand
Miss
Sharma.
Utkarsh.
Anand,
Utkarsh.
you can say Anand.
Anand.
Who is saying this bilkul bilkul
Yes,
word
miss.
again in class? I want discipline in my class, okay?
Okay, miss.
Yes, miss.
Okay, so see now the second thing I told you that now I want to print a statement named as I am studying in class 9. तो मैंने क्या किया, again I have write this statement same by using system.out.println statement. Okay, again now for example I want to write another statement. Let's say for example, hello, how are you? What will I do? I will simply write those things which I want to get print. No, that will come here like hello, how are you? तो इतना समझ में आ गया कि whenever I want to print any kind of statement, whenever I want to print any statement, I will have to write its statement in double quotes in system.out.println statement. So students, am I clear to you?
Yes, miss.
So
Yes.
now
Yes, miss.
I am going to implement this whole program. I am going to implement this program in BlueJ. Is my screen is visible to you all?
Yes,
Yes,
miss.
miss.
Yes, miss.
So students,
Okay,
I have opened a BlueJ for now. I am considering that you people don't know programming. That's why I'm telling you from the starting point of view. So first of all, whenever you are going to create any kind of programming, no, you will have to make a project. You will have to create a new project. So click on the project, go to the new project, and then give the name of your project. For example, here I am writing as 9th. Okay, so it's your 10 class, no? So I'm giving the name as class 10. So my new project will be created and the name of my project will be what? Class 10. Now, as I told you, in Java programming, you will have to make your program in the class only. तो देखो यहाँ पर ना एक नोट, यहाँ पर you will find a text file. कई सारे बच्चे ये प्रॉब्लम ये ना गलती करते हैं कि व्हेन you do programming you simply double click on this text file. No, you don't have to do this. Okay, you will have to create a class. Am I audible to you students? Am I right? Am I clear to you?
Yes, miss.
Okay.
Yes, miss.
Yes,
The
miss.
text file given, yes, this text file is given, but you don't have to open this text file. Now what will I do? What I have did here, see, this notepad is, I think this screen is also visible to you now. मैंने सबसे पहले क्या किया, मैंने यहाँ पे क्लास क्रिएट करी ना, यहाँ पे क्या लिखा है, क्लास लिखा है ना, तो I will create the class first. So now to create a class, I will click on the new class. Now give the name of your class. Students, one more very important thing, I hope you all are writing these points. Whenever you are going
Yes,
to
ma'am.
give the name of your class, the name of your class should come in uppercase. That means the first letter of your class is going to come into the capital letter only. देखो अगर फॉर एग्जाम्पल मेरे को डेमो देना है ना, तो मैं डेमो का DEMO, so डेमो का D will come in the capital letter. This is the rule in Java programming. That means every class, if you are going to use any kind of class into your program, no, the first word, the first letter will come in in uppercase. Okay students, now here I will click on the class and then finally I will click on OK. जैसे ही मैंने OK किया, I will get a class here. I'll have to double click on this file. Now यहाँ पे ये code by default लिखा हुआ आ रहा है. I am deleting this whole code and now I will write my program. जो program हमने यहाँ पे लिखा था ना, यही program में again I am going to write here also this program. So I am copying it. Here I am going to paste this my program. See, देखो मैंने यहाँ पे जो क्लास का नाम दिया था वो क्या था, डेमो. तो आई विल हैव टू रीनेम इट डेमो, है ना स्टूडेंट्स? एम आई क्लियर?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Okay.
miss.
तो ये जो प्रोग्राम विच आई टाइप्ड इन द नोटपैड, आई हैव पेस्टेड दिस प्रोग्राम इन द BlueJ. अब देखो मैंने क्या बताया था आपको, कभी भी जो प्रोग्राम हमने लिखा है, आई हैव रिटन व्हाट इज दिस इज द हाई लेवल लैंग्वेज. जितना भी लिखा हुआ है ये सब क्या है, हाई लेवल लैंग्वेज. देखो अब यहाँ पे एरर आ रही है. एरर क्या आ रही है, system.out.print, यहाँ पे क्या लिखा रहा है,
We have written our
अनडिक्लेयर्ड मेथड प्रिंट RLN. तो क्या है प्रिंट RLN? वो नहीं, वो क्या है, वो तो प्रिंट LN होना चाहिए. दैट्स व्हाई we'll have to remove this error. Print ln and then print ln. Now I'll again compile this program. For compilation you will have to click on the compile button, click on compile. देखो क्या आ गया यहाँ पे, class compiled, no syntax error. Class compiled, no syntax error. That means there are no error into my program. Now I'll have to execute my program. देखो compiler ने क्या किया, you have written this program in high level language. So compiler has finally read this program, and now compiler want to convert this program into the low level language, and for that you will have to execute your code. So now I am going to execute my file. I'll close this file, and now see ये जो demo file थी, यहाँ अब मुझे इसको रन करना है. तो what will I do? I'll simply right click on your class, and then you will have to click on void main string args. Students, are you looking onto this screen or not?
Yes, miss. Looking.
Yes,
Yes. So now you will have to click onto the void main string args and then press enter. Press OK. देखो क्या आ गया यहाँ पर, हेलो आई एम स्टडिंग इन क्लास 9, हेलो हाउ आर यू. ये कैसे आया? अब नाउ लेट्स कंपेयर आवर कोड एंड कंपेयर द आउटपुट आल्सो. देखो ये हमारा प्रोग्राम था. पहले स्टेटमेंट में आई एम प्रिंटिंग व्हाट, हेलो. तो इसीलिए पहले स्टेटमेंट में क्या आ गया, हेलो. अब सेकंड स्टेटमेंट में आई एम प्रिंटिंग आई एम स्टडिंग इन क्लास 9. So that's what we are getting in the output also. I am studying in class 9. Third statement में I was printing hello how are you. Same statement has come on the screen, hello how are you. So now I think this is clear to you. Students, today's session clear है कि नहीं है? कोई doubt है तो पूछ सकते हो.
Yes, miss. Clear.
Clear?
No, miss.
Okay. Now one thing I am going to do here only, please notice this point. यहाँ पर in the second statement यहाँ पे ln लिखा है ना, I am going to erase this ln. Now I am compiling this. Then we will see output क्या आता है. Okay. अब मैंने प्रोग्राम को रन किया. See, output is coming now what? Hello, I am studying in class 9. Hello, how are you? ये क्यों आ रहा है? पहले तो अलग अलग लाइन में आ जाना. Earlier this output was coming in different lines, no? Now why this last two lines are coming in the same line? Why?
Because we have not written ln there.
Yes, yes. So the meaning of ln means line. The meaning of ln means
Line.
new line. Okay. अगर I will remove this ln from the first statement also, and then when after compilation I will run this program again. I am going to run this program again. अब देखो क्या आउटपुट आता है. अब आउटपुट क्या आ रहा है? पूरा सिंगल लाइन में आ रहा है. क्यों आ रहा है? क्योंकि we have not added ln here. जहाँ पे जैसे ही added ln, तो ln से क्या हो गया? After printing this statement, new line came, and this line, the next line will get printed into the next line in the new line. This is the why we add ln. So ln means adding a new line. Now again I am going to add ln. So ln will add now new line. Okay. देखो पहले आउटपुट क्या आ रहा था? ये, this was my old output. Now again I'm going to clear my screen. Now again I'll run my code. Now you can see the output now. See, now hello, I'm studying in class 9. Hello, how are you? So this is what we are doing in this program. So students, is this clear to you? Today's session?
Yes, miss. Very clear.
Very clear?
Yes,
Okay, very good.
Yes, miss.
So now I'm
clear.
Okay, very good. Now I'm going to stop my screen. Am I visible to you?
Yes,
Yes,
Okay. So today we have seen what? We have seen how to make a simple program to print any kind of statement. Your homework. So your homework for today is, you all will have to write a program in which you are going to write about your family. Okay. In family, your name, your father name, your mother's name, and your brother sister's name. That's it. That you all have to do on
Okay,
your
miss.
screen. Compile this program, run this program, show the output to me on my WhatsApp. I'll be waiting for your all homework for today. Okay, students. Now
Yes,
we are
miss.
going to deal with the exercise. Exercise जो first chapter का है. You all are having books?
Yes, miss.
Yes,
Yes, miss.
So the first question, take the correct option. So what is the answer for the first one? In object-oriented programming, the stress is given on what? Stress is given on what?
Data.
So first question answer is data. Second one, which of the following principle does not allow to access directly from the outside of the class premises? The answer is what?
All of this.
All of this. So I am not wasting my time for discussing this. I will simply send you the photo of this exercise. Plus, I will provide you the answers for all the questions which are given in the exercise. I am telling you about the unsolved question. See. Is this visible to you, students?
Yes,
Yes.
miss.
Okay.
Yes, miss.
So this exercise which is not solved, I'll provide you answers for all these exercise also. Okay.
Okay,
Yes,
miss.
miss.
Thank you,
Second
miss.
thing is,
Okay, miss. Thank you.
I am not leaving the meeting. Wait.
अरे लीव नहीं करना.
Revision inside. This one. Revision
Yes, miss.
inside. You all will have to see all
Yes.
these answers also. Okay.
Okay,
It will
miss.
be better. You will have to learn all these answers also.
Yes,
For the
Okay,
unit
miss.
test, I'll give you unit 1 and unit 2. Okay. So that we will complete. I'll ask programming in the unit test also. Okay.
Okay, miss.
Okay. Okay, so now it's done for the day. If you have any kind of doubt, then you people can ask to me.
Okay, miss.
Okay. One more thing.
Thank you, miss.
One more thing. Don't leave the meeting. One more thing. देखो ये प्रोग्राम में यहाँ पे स्ट्रिंग का एस कैपिटल है ना?
Yes,
सिस्टम
miss.
का एस कैपिटल है, डेमो का डी
Yes, miss.
कैपिटल है. क्यों? Because these all are the classes. So string is a class, system is a class, and demo is also a class. That's why the first letter of this class are taken as to be uppercase. So ये मुझे बताना था. मैं ये कल भी I will continue this topic only. Okay, so now you people can leave the meeting. Thank you.
Thank you, miss. Thank you very much.
Thank you. All of you, bye. Thank you. Please leave the meeting. All
Bye,
of you.
miss. Bye.
Bye. Thank you, Muskan. Thank you. Leave the meeting, all of you.